there will be a super typhoon or there will be a typhoon. Bro, can you hear the thunder? I'm not prepared, which I should have been. Can you hear the rain? The wind is a bit strong. Tomorrow there will be another typhoon again. That probably will be super typhoon. I just got home from the market and guys, I feel like I'm building muscles with this living alone thing because I have to carry everything. I have to carry a 10 liters of water as well as the food and the stuff I bought from the market. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what I bought. Here are the food I bought from the market, and one thing that I dislike is that this is too much plastic, and I'm very sorry. I will be mindful next time and bring an eco bag. But don't worry, I will recycle these plastics for sure. Actually, the main reason why I went to the market after work is that there will be a super typhoon or there will be a typhoon here in the Philippines, and for precautionary measures and to make sure that I'm ready when it hits, because I feel like it's gonna be a strong typhoon because our school decided to suspend the classes tomorrow. So here are the food I bought. First, I got pork and longganisa. Then I also bought fish. One thing I realized today is that food from the markets are cheaper than the malls. So I'm happy with that. I bought this pechay, onion and garlic, and tomatoes. Then I have sinigang mix. I also got some eggs, 1 kilo of rice, and I also bought some bread and star margarine for my filling. And I forgot, I also bought, it's so heavy bro. Yeah. This 10 liters of water. So these are the stuff, the food I bought. I just got home from work, clearly because I'm still wearing this formal outfit, and I'm gonna open this parcel. Bro, can you hear the thunder? If you've watched my previous video, I received a broken mirror and this is the replacement. But I don't know, I requested the seller to put a fragile tape outside, but clearly no fragile tape. So I just hope that it's not broken again. I feel like there will be a strong typhoon. We're currently experiencing strong typhoon here in the Philippines, and tomorrow there will be another typhoon again. That probably will be super typhoon. I hope not. Anyway, let's open this, and guys, I just hope that it's not broken. Did you know it took so long for this to arrive? Like, they put a fragile tape inside. So how can the courier know it's something fragile? Thank God it's not broken. This is a hanging mirror because I don't have a lot of space here in my apartment. So I ordered a hanging mirror. Ta-da! Oh. Perfect. I'm happy now. Hey guys, today is Sunday, November 9, and today a super typhoon will struck the Philippines. And in all honesty, I'm not prepared, which I should have been. But at the same time, I'm thinking maybe it will not be so strong in my area. I hope so. And I also hope that it won't be so strong in all areas affected. But I'm gonna stay vigilant, cautious, and be prepared for what will come. Today is so gloomy outside. Right now, I'm gonna cook for my brunch. I'm gonna make a lugaw. I have leftover rice from yesterday and we're gonna make lugaw from that. I have here my rice, leftover rice from yesterday. We're gonna heat up the pan and wait for a bit. Can you hear the rain? The rain is starting to get strong, so hopefully that it won't be so strong in all areas affected. So while the pan is heating up, I'm also gonna cook some longanisa. I'm gonna use this for my longanisa. I actually don't know how to cook longanisa, but when I search how to cook longanisa, they said that you should put water first. So I'm gonna put water. Do I have to put oil with this? Maybe later. I'm also gonna put water for my lugaw. I think this is ready. So we're gonna put our longanisa. Disclaimer, my hand is clean. My hands are clean, okay? Bro. Wait. Then put our leftover rice. I have here my powdered milk and Milo, and I'm gonna put my lugaw with some of these. Hopefully, I'm cooking this right. Here's my lugaw and longanisa. Hi, so I think I will go out and look for a laundry shop because I really have to get my bed sheet and blanket washed. It's actually long overdue and I want to get this done already. Although the wind is a bit strong, but it's not raining, so I think it's fine. The weather is fine today. I hope so. Let's go. My goodness. I just got home with these. I do not know what happened. No, I know what happened. My initial plan is to get my bed sheet and blanket washed. And I decided to enter a store and just roam around. But I guess it's not just roaming around because I was able to buy these stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I got. First, okay, disclaimer, all of these are my essentials. First, I got the pineapple from the market. I got this organizer for my undergarments. Then I got these for my CR. I have a brush and this pump. And I bought a trash can because I don't have a trash can as of the moment, so I bought one. Then I bought this laundry basket. So yeah, those are the stuff I bought, and thankfully it did not rain a while ago while I was out. However, it is starting to rain right now.